As a public relations major at SUNY Oswego, I've been able to really build up event planning skills and my writing abilities, which are extremely beneficial within the job market that I want to enter. WTOP 10, the student-run broadcasting station, helped me as a public relations major because it gives me an inside look to what media relations look like and what to expect as I'm going out in the industry, as well as giving me background working with my communication skills, helping me with my writing abilities, and operating different social media platforms. The hands-on experience that I've gained because of SUNY Oswego's connections and their alumni have opened up doors for me like I could never believe. Working PGA Championship, working Buffalo Bills games, working March Madness. It's something I dreamed of as a little kid. To be able to open those doors now and realize that it's possible. Advice I have for future students would be go after it, get involved, and do the thing that you're scared of, just do it scared. Because if you let your fears hold you back, you're going to regret it later.